Thursday, May the 5th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Certainly a different type of weather day today across the region. We'll take a look at that. The weekend forecast, Mother's Day included, and the forecast out deeper into next week, too. Kind of an interesting weather deal this morning. Can't see much from this camera. I've been trying to spot some snowflakes in the mountains. There are some flying up there. That's from ResortCams.com, the Beach Mountain Parkway camera. The temperature is 37. I'll show you the radar coming up here in just a couple of moments. These were your highs yesterday, upper 60s in the foothills portions of the Triad viewing area, lower side of the 70s. Elsewhere, it was basically 70s across the majority of the Charlotte viewing area. Really comfortable afternoon, just a great feel to the day, lower humidity yesterday. Very, very nice day. There were your highs region-wide yesterday. This morning, it's kind of a cool start to the day. 50s in a lot of Carolina spots, cooler in the mountains. There's even a lot of mountain spots, as you saw there at Beech Mountain, down into the 30s. But there you go. Look at the Triad viewing area. The northwestern sections of the viewing area, parts of Forsyth, Stokes, Yadkin, Surry County, Rockingham County, seeing some pockets of pretty heavy rain this morning. And again, back in the mountains, a few snowflakes have been flying here and there very early this morning. This is all part of a big upper level low that's pivoting down into the region, and this is going to promote the development of areas of rain and even a few thunderstorms at times today. Here's the high resolution rapid refresh modeling. You can see the pinwheeling nature of the showers across the region today, so it'll be hit and miss, but especially I-40 corridor up into Virginia, rain, a pretty good fixture throughout the day. It gets more scattered in nature as you head further to the southwest. These are the HRRR rain totals through the day. You notice Raleigh getting up over an inch of rain on the HRRR model by 5 o'clock or so. In terms of severe weather, not a big threat today, but due to the cold temperatures aloft, could be some small hail with any thunderstorm and maybe even in any of the heavier showers that try to pop up this afternoon. So there you go. It's going to be a day that features clouds, some showers at times. And again, let me show you the RPM modeling here. This is the rain totals for that model through tomorrow. And your heaviest totals, Greensboro, Raleigh, and points north. Now, checking the flash flood guidance, the 6-hour values are over 3 inches needed to cause flooding concerns. So I don't think we're going to have any huge flooding issues. I was looking at some of the guidance, and the value is probably a little too high in terms of necessary rain for flooding, but something to keep an eye on for sure, nonetheless. Look at these temperatures today. Certainly a cooler weather day. Add to that some breeziness. There's your Triad ones today, for instance. Be kind of a cool, chilly type of day. Now, tomorrow that low pressure pulls away, and I think east of I-77, still could be a few scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures beginning to warm a bit. There's your Friday highs, and then we get on out into the weekend. I still think the weekend looks very nice. This cold front doesn't play a huge role in our weather, so there's your Saturday highs, even warmer for Mother's Day. In fact, look at the 90s creeping in down into South Carolina. So here's the modeling in detail. There's the upper level low on the European model this morning. By tomorrow morning, that's pivoting through the coastal North Carolina and Virginia. And then the southwesterly flow takes over as we get into next work week. Canadian model, there's your showers out there today. Tomorrow that begins to certainly pull away. Let's check the GFS. The 0Z run today, areas of showers scattered around the region today. Beginning to pull into the eastern half of North and South Carolina tomorrow. And then again, I think this is a little bit overdone for Saturday, so Saturday looks good, Sunday looks good, and again, a big spread in temperatures. GFS wants to keep upper 70s in place, high 40 in points north, but you have temperatures approaching 90 in Columbia. I think a lot of it's probably low to maybe mid-80s Sunday afternoon. Monday looks good, really warm. I think we're up into the mid, maybe even some upper 80s on Monday. Let's get on out, let's see. There's Tuesday, and I think starting Tuesday, that's when you begin to have the chance of a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms, really warm. Tuesday and Wednesday, a few afternoon storms. Some of us in North Carolina could even make a run toward 90 by the middle part of next week. There's Thursday. I'll keep the chance of a few storms going in the forecast. So kind of a summer-like pattern, just an early May version of it as we get into next week. Really warm. Humidity levels creeping back up, and a few afternoon storms. Temperatures into the 80s, and again, maybe even putting 90 spots as we get deeper into the middle stages of next week. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching, everybody.